Realloc. The problem statement here is to understand the usage of realloc dynamic memory allocation. So what is the use of this realloc is, whenever there is a insufficient in the dynamic memory allocation for malloc and calloc, we can use realloc function. So here the syntax is cache type realloc pointer and new size. So here I am using the different header files, stdio.h for standard input and output, stdlib.h for dynamic memory allocation functions, and string.h to support all the string manipulation functions. So char str is the string and these two are the sizes. Str is equal to char star malloc size 1, which means we are going to allocate 10 bytes for this str. Next, strcpy of str comma virtue. So now virtue will be stored in str. Next, str is equal to char star realloc. I am reallocating the size now to 20. I am reallocating the size to 20, which means now str has been allocated with 20 bytes. I thought that there will be a deficiency in the memory, that is the reason I am reallocating it. Next, strcat of str comma learn. Now when we concatenate, this learn is concatenated with virtue and we get here the string as Virtulearn. Now after executing this code, you will be getting the message as learn coding at Virtulearn. So after the contents have been displayed, immediately we are seeing a free. So free is used for free the content whatever it has been, free the dynamic memory whatever it has been allocated at runtime and make the other resources to utilize that memory. So this is the usage of free.